guys, I'm Dr. Amy here, and I want to talk to you guys today about blood work. Now, a lot of us have gotten blood work done for things like testing our cholesterol or our blood sugar, but something you guys probably haven't heard a lot about is the genetic tests that you guys can do. So in our office, we use Boston Heart Labs because we can look at all different kinds of things, but one of them is the genetic test. And why that's important is because lifestyle changes aren't always a one-size-fits-all. Sometimes people need different dietary and lifestyle modifications that work better for their gene and body type. So it's really important for us to know that. Because genes, those are the things that load the gun, right? The genetics. But lifestyle is what pulls the trigger. So we need to know what each person needs more specific. So what that looks like is it's a test called the apolipoprotein E. So what this tells us is 3 different genetic types that tell us what diet you need. So the first type is an E3E3. And what that is that's a pretty standard mixed type diet that people do really well with a paleo diet. And what that means is it's 50% of their diet needs to be protein and fats, where then 50% needs to be carbohydrates. When I say carbohydrates, I don't mean pastas, grains, sugars. I mean the plant-based, the fruits and the vegetables, with maybe 10 to 15% being the grains. So these people do really well all around with a generic paleo diet, and they do really well with lifestyle modifications. So the other type is E4E4. That person is better on a carbohydrate diet, so more plant-based. So they need more of the veggies and fruits, so about 60% of their diet, where then 40% needs to be proteins and fats. But these people don't break down and process fats very well. So we really need to look at that because taking fish oils and different supplements can also affect their cholesterol levels. So it's good to know that kind of stuff for that person. E2, E3 is the other type, and that's more the meat eater, the carnivore. So those people need 70% of their diet to be the proteins and the fats, where then 30% of their diet needs to be the carbs. So these people do not do well on grains, and that will affect their cholesterol and their blood sugar. So it's really important to know these things because, once again, lifestyle is not a one-size-fits-all. Some people need different things, and we need to know what's going to work better with your body type. So that's why we do Boston Heart, because it tells us that, and then we can explain all of that to you and let you know what it is that you need. So if you guys have any questions, or if you guys want to know what am I, what gene type am I, what kind of diet do I need, feel free to call in and get scheduled, and we'll do a wellness score with you. We'll take your blood work, and then we'll go over all of that with you. If this sounds interesting or anybody has any questions, feel free to comment below and we'll answer those questions as soon as we can. But otherwise, I hope you guys have a really great day. Thanks, guys.